In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up a Google Meet with open access. Google Meet is a fantastic tool for hosting virtual meetings, classes, and catch-ups with friends or colleagues, offering a seamless and user-friendly experience. Whether you're new to Google Meet or simply need a refresher on its functions, this guide will walk you through the process to ensure you can get your meeting up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. This can easily be done by opening your internet browser and typing in the Google Meet website URL, or simply searching for it using your favorite search engine. Once the page loads, you'll see options to either join an existing meeting or create a new one. This is your starting point for interacting with Google Meet's functionality. If you're creating a meeting, just click on the New Meeting button. If you're joining one, make sure you have the necessary meeting code or link handy. After you've decided to either join or create a meeting, it's time to focus on the host management settings to tailor the meeting to your needs. You'll find these settings by looking towards the bottom right of your screen, where you'll see a small padlock icon. Clicking this will open up the host management options, which allow you to control various aspects of the meeting, such as participant permissions and access settings. This is particularly useful if you're dealing with large groups or if you require additional security measures. With the host management menu open, scroll down until you find the meeting access section. This specific area is where you can manage how participants enter your meeting. Access settings are crucial, especially if you're looking to control who can join without needing prior approval, which can save you a lot of time and hassle. Now, to make your meeting open access, you'll need to locate the option labeled Open Access and simply turn it on. By enabling this feature, anyone with the link can dial into the meeting without needing to ask for access or permission to join. This streamlined entry process is ideal for meetings where you expect participants to come and go, or for larger gatherings where manually admitting each attendee isn't feasible. Remember, open access meetings are less secure, so consider your audience and content carefully. Once you've enabled open access, you're good to go. Your meeting is now set up to allow participants to join freely, making the virtual gathering as seamless as possible. Your settings will save automatically, meaning there's no need for additional steps. With this setup, you can focus more on the content of your meeting and less on administrative tasks, facilitating a smoother and more enjoyable experience for everyone involved. And there you have it, the quick and efficient way to establish an open access meeting using Google Meet. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.